All right, so working in Google Chrome, if after you update the Flash player, you're still having trouble with your lessons, you may need to allow eSchool as a trusted site. And the way you do that is you go to the website. It's actually an internal site on the browser. It's Chrome // settings. And when you get to the settings page, go to the very bottom and you should have an advanced area. If yours is already expanded, and you won't need to do that. But we're looking for the area in privacy and security called content settings. If you click on content settings, about midway down the list, there's Flash, and it has like a little puzzle piece icon. You click that, and under this setting, make sure that this is blue, if otherwise you'll have it turned off. But we want to actually allow eSchool, so press add, and we're going to type JCPSeSchool.blackboard.com and click add, and that should do it. And then you can go back to your course and the content should work.